Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing the photo into Ibispaint X so you can work non-destructively. Open a new canvas at the size you need, then tap the gallery or add image icon and choose the file. Place it as its own layer and rename or lock it to avoid accidental edits. This separation matters because it keeps your original intact. Once done, you'll have clear control over transparency and masking without altering the background layer. Now remove the unwanted background so the subject becomes transparent. Use the magic wand for flat backgrounds, adjusting tolerance, or switch to lasso/selection for complex edges. For fine detail, zoom in and use a small eraser or the layer mask to hide pixels non-destructively. You can refine edges with feathering or slight blur to avoid harsh outlines. Make sure to duplicate the layer before major changes, so you can compare methods and revert if you over-erase. Finish by exporting a true transparent image. Hide or delete any background layers so only the subject is visible. Then choose Export or Share and pick PNG with transparency enabled. If the export looks like it still has a background, make sure there are no hidden white layers or locked background layers present. Merge visible layers if necessary and try again. If artifacts remain, undo, refine the mask edges, and re-export. This ensures a clean, transparent PNG ready for other apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.